guys, what's going on? I'm getting so much feedback on the EMA dots, and it's just amazing to see y'all all gravitate towards it. The simplicity is there. I mean, it is simple to use. I kind of just want to go over it again and show y'all how it's working for me on a 3-day. So, like I've said, a 3-day, 15-day, and a monthly charts I use. So, with the market, we all know that markets trade in waves. And the more we zoom in on that wave, the more and more volatile and less smooth it's going to be. So if we zoom into a 5-minute, if we zoom into a 15-minute, the charts are going to move in more of a rapid motion. So that's why day traders can lose more money versus a swing trader. With a swing trading position on a long period, like a 3-day, a 15-day, and a monthly, for example, makes it so much easier, and it takes more time for the wave to develop. So with these bigger time frames, you're getting more of the trend and direction of where a market is going to go. And with the 3-day, for example, as you can see, back before the pump, you got a green dot. You would have bought that green dot, ran it up, sold the first red dot, got back in, and then sold the next red dot. You held out in that crucial month where a lot of people lost a lot of money in crypto, January and February, because they were chasing the market. They didn't know when to buy, when to sell. This indicator alone printed red dots all through January and through February. It would have assisted you in saying, hey, this is the top, get out of the market and stay out of the market. You could have shorted from, once you got that red dot, you could have shorted the market. Okay. And then, like I said, we buy greens, and we obviously entered a range right here. A range is when the market is trending sideways, right? So we trended sideways, and it told you can, get in and scalp it a little bit. And then eventually, 1, 2, 3, the fourth green dot you take, you would have caught all of this. And then the red dot told you to sell at the top. Same thing as the first time. Came down. It came down. Showed you positions to enter, get out, get back in, get out. Saved you from this drop. It saved you from this drop. It saved you from this drop. You get a sideways action here. You get some sideways action here. But the beautiful thing about it is that when the direction of the market trends in an opposite way, it tells you to get out, right? It tells you to get out. And I mean, it's simple as that. Look for the dots. Get in on the dots. And I was checking the setting, make sure it was correct. But right now on Tron, I'm actually getting a green dot. And we're getting this range play just like we did here. And before, when the range happens and the accumulation happens, that's usually when you see a push up. And overall, we do have a big A, B, C correction in play. That's something else to look towards. But the green dots appearing 3-day potentially could be the bottom, and to push up out of this sector and start the new bull market for the fourth quarter of this year. Let's go to Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, 3-day is firing green, right? It's firing green. So you would be buying right now. If you want to take the chance, you'd buy right now, right? And as you can see in the past, green, green, little sideways, told you to get out, green, green, green. And now we're getting this green after all of this accumulation, right? We've just been getting consolidating and tighter and tighter. And the 3-day is really going to be your scalping tool to get in and get out of the market in a faster sense of motion. I don't go anything any lower than that. If I pull up the day can get a little choppy. You might be able to pull it off with the day, but I don't recommend it. I'm going with the 3-day, but if I pull up the day, it says November 1st, November 2nd, November 3rd, November 4th. So you'd be holding, right? 15-day, you have to change the setting from 6. 6 is what we use on smaller time frames, and then the 10 is what we use for long-term swings. And usually you want to go into scalp mode in a lower time frame when your 15-day fires green. So we still have all this red. So ultimately, if we traded the 15-day, the last time we bought would have been around September 12th and held the position all the way up and sold the position at all-time highs and dropped off. So you technically, if you stayed in the 15-day chart, you wouldn't have even been trading this whole year yet. You would have maybe been holding a short position from all-time high, but that's about it. Once we get the green dot appear on the 15-day chart, that's an indication for an overall trend is pushing back up. You know, when a red dot appears on a 15-day, it shows the trend momentum is going back down. And with the 15-day printing every 15 days, it's going to help you determine, is this a bear market? Is this a bull market? So technically right now, we're in a bear market still, and there has been opportunities throughout here, but it's more risky versus waiting for a green on a 15-day. Once you get the green close on the 15-day, that's when you're going to go, okay, this is potential for a bull market, and you want to scalp the market when the market is going up. If you scalp when the market is going down on a red dots in the 15-day, that's going to give you more risk, more volatility, more chances to lose versus trying to go into a smaller time frame after the green dot has appeared on a very large time scale. So we can detect trend and where a market is going with a 15-day chart printing a green dot, you know, and you really want to scalp when the green dots are in play. So like for here, the green dot appeared and then a red dot appeared. So when the green dot appeared on the 2nd of March 2015, you had 15 days to scalp it, right? And then if you're in the scalp mode, so we go into 3-day, let's go to March. So right here, March. So right in here, the 15-day fired. If you went into a 3-day, you'd get green, 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 and then once the red appeared on the 3-day, you would have sold your position, right? And then the 3 days coming down, and then the 15-day printed a red. So you'd stay out. And then you'd watch the 15 days. So 15-day print another red, stay out. 15-day print a red, stay out. 15 red, stay out. 15 green. Okay, now we can consider going back in. You go back into the 3-day and scalp it. And then once the 15-day gives you a red signal, you're going to stay out. And so forth, so on. But 15-day is really smooth. A monthly is very, very, very smooth. 15-day, you just buy this green, sell this red, buy this green, sell this red. Do this here, do this, and do this. So if you were trading just the monthly alone since 2013, January, February 2013, you would have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 6 to 7 trades, and you would have been, at least a minimum 20,000%, potentially 40,000%. But I mean, it's as simple as that. If you're interested in this indicator, message me directly on here. We'll talk more. And I look forward to helping y'all become profitable and converting y'all. If y'all are day traders, convert y'all into swing traders. And I'll talk to y'all soon.